Dealing with a cabinet door that just won't stay closed? Let's fix that in a few simple steps. First, diagnose the problem. Is the door sagging? Do the hinges feel loose? Is there a gap or overlap? Identifying the issue is key to finding the right fix. Start by tightening the hinges. If the door lifts when you press on the bottom, grab a screwdriver and tighten those screws. If they keep spinning, the hole may be stripped. If your doors overlap or have a gap, adjust the hinges. Turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to fix overlap or clockwise to close gaps. Keep tweaking until the door sits just right. Got stripped screws? Reinforce the hole with wood glue. Let it dry, and then reinsert the screws for a stronger hold. If all else fails, replacing the hinges might be the best solution. Just unscrew the old ones, match the size, and install the new hinges for a perfect close. And there you have it, a cabinet door that stays shut like it should. Need new hinges or hardware? Hinge Outlet has what you need and even offers free shipping. Visit our website today. And for more valuable information and helpful tips like this, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.